Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a traditional WordPress theme. This one happens to be Astra's, and switch it to a full site editing theme and turn it into something that looks more like this. Now that switched to a full site editing theme, not only that is you have really unique styling that they don't offer, that compared with dynamic shopping will make for a truly unique experience for your customers. So let's dive right in. To switch themes, we just need to go over here to our left to Appearances, Themes, and then we're going to go to Add New Theme. Then we're going to click on Block Themes, and this is all the block themes that are available through the WordPress Marketplace. I'm going to upload a theme, so we just click Upload. To upload a theme, you just hit Choose File, go to where your theme is located, click the zip file, open, click Install. Then once it's done uploading, click Activate. And we're going to put in the license key, just paste it here. Now if you don't have a license key or you're using the free version, you can just skip this. Go ahead, activate license. And then we're going to turn on all these cool features. To start editing the front end, the first thing we're going to have to do is edit the header. And how we do that is we go over here to the left, in Appearances, Editor. Now in traditional themes, you would start customizing your header through the customizer. Here, we do it through the full site editing editor. And we want to start with the header. So we're going to go to Patterns, all the way down to Manage All Template Parts, and we're going to click on Header. And there we go. Now we're editing just the header. Now to show you just how easily we can edit this header and how flexible it is, we're going to add a mini cart. So first thing we're going to do is add a row, and then we're going to then hit the plus again, and we're going to add the mini cart. And after that, we can click on the navigation, grab the 6 dots, and drag it till we see the line. And now we want to move this on the right side. You just click the right. Now we can change the color of all these by just clicking on the block, going over here to our right side, make sure it's under blocks, and we're going to click the styles. Hit text, and we'll make it black. We can also change typography and the size right here. We need to do custom sizes and make it crazy big or really small, however you like it. We can also change the color of the cart by doing the same thing, clicking on it, going over your styles, and we're going to turn everything into black. And we can either have a bag or like a box or the cart. We can display price, and you can hide it in checkout or remove it, whatever you like. Now we're just going to hit save, and there we go. We've saved our header. Now to edit the footer, you can just click up here, and I'll bring up your search command, search up footer, click on that, and now you're editing the footer. I'm not going to bore you with editing this, although I will make these black so you can actually see them. There we go. Hit save. Next we gotta change the overall colors of our buttons to match the previous theme. To do that, you go over here to Styles, Colors, and down here to Button. So we're gonna first choose white for the text. Then we're going to click background. And we're going to choose this blue. If you want to put a custom color, you just configure that out here and put the code you want. But we'll just pick this blue because it's very close. And then hit save. So now our button color will be the same. Next, we're going to add the border radius to the button to match, again, the previous aesthetics that you had. We're going to go back, blocks, button, and we're going to go to the bottom, border radius. Let's do about 20. Easier just to type it in. You know, it was a little bit more, so let's do more. And there we go. We're going to match the button completely. Again, hit save. Now I want to match the padding that it had. And you just go down here down to dimensions and padding. We're going to do about 10. And we'll do about 15. Save again. I think it had more horizontal padding, so we'll do 20. Now it's looking good. Next, we got to go and change the single page template to remove the title. And to do that, you're going to go up to the top left, click the W, go back, out of patterns, and into templates. And we're going to find pages. Click in, and we're going to delete the title. And just remember that will do it for all pages. And then we're going to see if there's any other unwanted blocks that we have here. Open up the group. We'll get rid of the spacer. Delete. Click save. Now let's go back to our home page. Again, hit the W, click the W again, takes us to our dashboard. Let's go to pages. And our home page is set as the sample page. And there our buttons look similar. Our category blocks. And everything is looking nice. We gotta fix some spacing. So let's start that. So we're gonna click on the column, and then we're gonna go back and make sure this says columns. And that will control the spacing. So you do 0, none, and then we'll do the same thing down to here. Again, make sure we're in columns, styles, and there we go. Hit update. And now our page should look exactly like it did, or close to, with a traditional theme. Let's view the front page now. And there you go, it looks similar, if not the same that it did with our traditional theme. And we also added a cart in there, which we didn't have before. Now let's have a little more fun and see what a full site editing theme can actually do for you. So here we're going to click on these blocks, and we have block styles to actually change the complete look of our shop quickly. Let's go ahead and try all images there. And now let's see what it looks like in front. And this is what it looks like. You have some really unique styling that traditional themes more than likely will not have. And with my theme, you have dynamic shopping, which will make an experience that you just don't get anywhere else for your customers. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!